Record again. Okay guys, so now what I gotta do is plug these holes. I'm gonna do that off camera, just show y'all, then show you the results. But I gotta plug the holes all the way down. All over there. So I gotta plug them, wait 30 minutes to an hour, sand them, and then we're good for paint. Alright, so I got all of those sanded, flush. I'm gonna hit one more thing of caulk on the holes and resand them. Just bringing you down. I just used the basic palm sander. I had to add 2 screws right there, you can see. And then you can tell the difference. I purposely left it. How you can see on the left, it's smoother to the seam compared to the right over here. Yeah, I didn't seal it so y'all can see. Let's get up close. Right there, it's good and ugly. You can see the little divots. It's been a full day since I put it out, but these been sanded. I'm gonna hit them again. Alright guys, the paint we're throwing in, and we're not doing any type of thinning. We're just gonna figure it out on the fly. Okay guys, we're gonna do this James Hardy board. Okay, you get good coverage. My issue with it is it don't have enough butt, but that could be because I didn't thin it out. This is a $50 one, it's really cheap. I'm sure if you had a more better one with more power, but that's just one coat and it does what you need. I would definitely say a spray can would be faster. But if you're painting big surfaces, you need a lot of cans where you could just refill this one up. I totally had a brain fart, guys, and forgot to show y'all what I did. But basically, I used my palm sander, 120 grit, sanded it all, and then I sprayed. This is one coat. I'm actually gonna spray something in the house. I'm gonna do just to show y'all how it works. But this is fascia board, hardy board, to be exact. And the other one's right over here. Record again. Okay, guys. So this is four coats of paint. We got down 3 coats on the post. We got 4. And my wife got something fancy going on over there. I don't know. But you can see it. We haven't painted over here. So this is the last bit I gotta hit. Again, the paint we're using, nothing fancy. Okay, so I haven't cut in with a brush. That's actually just with the two rollers. I get back to you once I bang that out, and I have to fill that hole right there. This was my wife's job, the caulking. She didn't finish, so here I am finishing. All right, there you go, guys. Thanks for coming. Neighbor gave me an old screen door. I threw that on. You know, I'm always doing something, guys. Two chainsaws I gotta bring back. The Rakita, a new mower. Just picked up a Honda CBR 250. Another chainsaw. 100cc build right here. A group of lawnmowers down there, and a Aprila 50cc two-stroke. So, thanks for coming, guys. Spot you in the next one.